What is a Python decorator? In Python, a decorator is a special function that is used to modify or extend the behavior of other function or a class without directly modifying their code. Decorators are a type of higher order function, which means that they can take another function as an input and return a new function as output. A decorator is defined using the symbol followed by the name of the decorator function. Here is an example of a decorator that adds a message to the output of a function. Def, we are giving meaningful name to the decorator, therefore my underscore decorator. In opening and closing parenthesis, it has one argument func which will receive any other function before which this decorator will be defined. Inside the decorator, we have defined one more function called as wrapper. It is printing a statement before function execution, then actually calling the function which is received as an argument, and then printing after function execution and returning this wrapper function at the point where the decorator will be called. In the next statement, we are actually calling the decorator at the rate my underscore decorator, and this is defined for my underscore function. So when this decorator is called, my function will be passed and a wrapper function will be returned in place of my function, and the wrapper function will be executed. So when the wrapper function is executed, it prints before function execution, then func means hello world, and then after function execution. So when we are calling my underscore function, decorator is called, which return the wrapper function, and that is executed. So we get the output before function execution, hello world, and after function execution. In this example, the my underscore decoration function takes another function func as an input and returns the new function wrapper that adds the message before and after the original function is called. The @my underscore decorator syntax is used to apply the decorator to the my underscore function. When the my underscore function is called, it will be execute the wrapper function written by the decorator. This will cause the message before function execution to be printed, followed by the original message hello world, and then the message after function execution. Decorators are powerful tool in Python because they allow you to add functionality to the existing code without modifying it directly. Common use cases of decorator includes logging, timing, and authentication. Thank you.